Pwede na ba? Pwede na. Filipino, bro. Right. Happy birthday, Tony and Nancy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Make a wish. Hello guys, kamusta? Welcome back to another episode of my vlog. Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you want to follow me sa adventures ko. But anyways, this video is, it's not my normal life, but I'm in Austin lately, and hindi pa tayo nagta-travel. But yeah, this is gonna be a special weekend kasi ang daming ganap mangyayari. First and foremost, I think the event that we're gonna go to is pupunta tayo, manonood tayo ng NBA game. And it's always been my dream to watch these games, and now nandito na ako sa Amerika. Growing up, yan yung dream natin, marami sa kabataan sa Pilipinas, to watch an NBA game. And when I moved to America, parang I really saved up for my first NBA game, and I'm very blessed na I don't watch regular NBA games kasi expensive nga, pero it just so happened na dito sa Austin, I'm part of Filipino Young Professionals of Austin, Texas, and we are a non-profit that helps connect the Filipino community and be engaged and be involved, and so on and so forth. Sobra na. But yeah, so nag-organize kami. It's been years na nag-organize kami with the San Antonio Spurs organization to have NBA games and Filipino nights dito sa Austin, and sometimes in San Antonio. And maraming Filipino to turn out, which is I'm very happy. And but yeah, so this event, kasama natin Filipino and my US friends, American friends. So I'm so excited kasi I think some of them, it's their first time to be together, and it's gonna be really fun. Yeah, so yun lang. And tapos, one of the perks is I'm gonna show you. Meron tayong free like baseball jersey, Spurs. Tapos I'll show you. Susutin ko kasi it's part of my outfit. Yan. Look. Ito yung sa likod. San Antonio, and then 3 stars in the sun. Just ito. Philippines. Let's open natin. Dito ako sa labas ng bahay nila, Cody. Ito lang yung outfit natin. Kasi medyo mainit today. Okay lang ganyan. Para ano tayo ba? Parang presentable. Outfit check. Boom. What's up? What's up? Pwede na ba? Pwede na. Bye, Cindy. You're not included.
I'm not invited, boys, then.
Okay, this is Cody repping the jersey.
There you
There you go. Better model than me.
No.
Oh yeah, there's a Filipino flag. I didn't see that.
It says Filipino night on the back.
Nice.
Oh, and in the country.
Yeah, in the Philippines, I've heard it pronounced as San Antonio Spars.
I'm from Mexico.
Spars. All right, we'll head out. Bye, Cindy. So look at all the Filipinos repping here, bro. Still Filipino, bro. Huh? Tell me your Filipino name, bro.
Puguntang Inang.
Courtside experience. Let's go.
See Wemby practice right now. Having the rain.
Oh, we're going down. We're heading over there. Where's Wemby? Can you see Wemby?
Oh, that's my
Yeah, guys, si Jalen Green, guys. Filipino represent.
33.
Wait, this one's only one?
Come on, copy.
Oh, yeah.
That's what the Moody's. Oh! UT Alma Mater!
What?
No, UT Alma Mater. Wow. Say hi, guys. Say hi, guys, huh? August. August pa, August. The food, guys, very expensive. $16. How much? Yeah, how much was that? 16 bucks. And then the drink is $6. Damn, it's not worth it, bro. But
No, but that's why you got soda.
wow, very smart. Are you a software engineer?
Tonight's presentation of the national anthem is being performed.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Oi, Cristo, say hi to the vlog. Hi guys, we're heading home. Going na tayo. It was so fun today. Spurs won by a lot. Beat down. So, yeah. Bukas na naman. Punta tayo sa party ni Tony at the MC. Happy birthday, Tony. And happy birthday, MC. Shout out. Mga bata kayo every year. Sige. Ligo muna ako and then see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, continuation natin to since last night. Di ba sabi ko, this is gonna be a fun-filled, full event weekend. Ano ba yun? Not full. Ang shiny ng noo ko. Anyways, I'm using my camera na ngayon. And also using a new setting sa audio sa camera. Hopefully, it's gonna be fine. And yeah, pupunta tayo na kina Tony right now. And it's an hour drive sa sobrang traffic. Kasi, it's usually like this. It's on a weekend. Anyways, suot mo tayo ng sapatos. And I'll show you the outfit check. Yan. I hope you guys can see the vision. But, brown, black, brown, and then black and white. Sneakers lang. And it's a little bit chilly today, tonight. Papunta na tayo. And MC and Tony, if you guys are watching this, happy birthday! Tara, kita-kits! Guys, dito na tayo kina Tony. Oh, finally after an hour drive. Lapit lang pala bahay nila kay Baste. Mga nandyan lang sa parang isang block lang. Hey, hello.
Kumusta?
Dito na tayo guys. Naamoy ko na yung Happy birthday, Tony!
Hello, vlog.
Guys, comment down below. Ano yung wish nyo? Dito tayo sa tropa. Hello, Legend 2. This is Jay, guys. MC, happy birthday. Guys, comment down below kung ano yung wish nyo. Click like and subscribe. Please. What's up, Ian? Long time no see. Hi, John Lloyd. Baby John Lloyd.
Sorry.
Hi, Divinova. Bless. Bless. Bless pa, bless. Ano tayo? Preview tayo sa food. Ala, ganda nito guys, oh. Ayos to be, oh. Ayos ba? Sabi ko gusto ko parang ganun ba? Call mom. Seryoso? Dito ako? Ganda nito guys, oh. Ayos, oh. May cake, dalawang cake guys. You know? Chocolate. Saka ano. Si Justin do? May rice tayo guys. May pansit. Sauce. Lumpia na mataas. Ay mahaba. Pork barbecue. Humba. Ay, pork adobo or humba? Humba. Wow. Kare-karing kawali. Ano to? Laing? Tagal ko na yun. Tas puto, ube and cheese and flan. Wow! Set na tayo guys, set na tayo. Guys, tignan nyo yung rap ni Tony guys. Nakikita yung loob guys.
Ibang klase pag Google.
Grabe yung Google, oh.
What's that? What's that inside?
Anong ginawa mo? Nap twice? Tao po? Wow! Oy! Grabe, oh.
Knock.
Ano ba rin daw? Hego, ano ba pangalan ng rep? Ano pangalan ng rep mo? ALG.
Knock the door.
Sorry. Indo. House tour guys, house tour. Saan ba yung office? Sa labas?
Sa labas. Sa backyard.
Ganda boy?
Ganda, Tony.
Nabuksan? Wow! Ganda! Pag mag-meeting si... Guys, ganda ang setup, oh. Pag mag-meeting si Tony, guys, ganito, guys, oh. Ganito. Ganda, oh. Ganda, oh. Ayos, oh. Ganito pala yung, ano? Ganito pala yung office pag CEO. Hindi, office yan ng mga TPM, mga The Pickleball Master.
Sabi ko nga, doon na tayo next year eh. This year, doon na tayo. Pasok sa doon, may ano, call this up.
Guys, ano pala, nakalimutan ko mag-register. Dito pala yung registration sa party.
Sa ano ko $50 per ticket mo, pero buffet.
Buffet naman.
$50 per ticket, pero buffet po.
Guys, meron pa siyang stick-o na maliit, guys, oh. Tapos, ano nga yung pretzel, yung ano yung ano yung sa atin, yung parang money. Ganda, oh. Yan, guys. Wow. First plate. Lolo. Wow. Yan tayo, ano. Kare-kare, pansit. Lumpia. Barbecue. Si Ian, no?
China number 1.
May gagi. Sarap ng barbecue, ah.
Diba?
Kanina to?
Wala na ako na.
Ano, pansit?
Bakit kamusta lang pag-alis ng daddy mo?
Sarap. Sarap ng pansit, guys. Kaya lumpia. Cheers.
Nagkagawa mo lang ng tita mo sa kapatid ng daddy.
Sarap. Kaya ng kare-kare.
Saan mo ka nakakuha? MC?
Sarap.
Hindi niya kinonsider yun, MC.
Guys, round 2. Laing, lumpia, and then humba. Let's go. Wait, anong yung laing? What is it made of?
Saan laing? What's laing?
Ha? Try natin, be.
Laing? Oh, yung shrimp? Parang malunggay. Malunggay.
Sarap. Hindi ko rin alam.
Parang hindi malunggay.
Spinach? Guys, comment down below kung ano yung laing. Ano yung dahon? What is it made of? Pero alam ko may potato leaf yun eh. Potato leaf? Potato leaf daw, guys. Pero parang may gata. Sarap ng rice. Natin yung humba. Humba. Cheers, guys. Cheers. Sarap. Sarap ng humba. Cheers. Bibili ako ng tausi. Yung beans. And yung shrimp. Sarap. Guys, ganda ng dessert natin, guys, kasi ang lamig. Kinantahan tayo ni Justin. 1-6 si Justin ng Backstreet Boys. Tas puto. With gulaman, puto ube. Cheers. Cheers. Sarap. Deep down inside of me, you are my fire, the one. Muera, ikaw ba yan? Bakit nga ba, Justin? Let's plan. Cheers. Rob, hindi masyado matamis. Cheers. Guys, hindi masyado matamis. Kakanta na siya, guys. Kakanta na. Ball! Gago! Nais kong mapakalasing dahil wala ka na. Tawagan nyo nga jowa nito. At kung di ka makita, makikiusap kay bata na ika'y hanapin at sabihin ipaalala sa iyo. Why? What are you pointing at? Oh, point daw. Pinupoint niya si MC. Bye-bye. Good night, baby.
Kailan na mag-kiss?
Wow! Guys, marami na ano. Meron ba akong chichirya? Gusto yung chicken skin. 13 grams of protein per serving. Chicken skin talaga yun, no? Flock pangalan. Ayos, no? Guys, mag-left, right, and center kami ulit, guys. $200 yung prize money. Ay! Ha? Ay, hindi ka ba nakalaro? Hindi ko lang gagawin. Guys, ito na yung game of the year! Are you ready to play left, right, and center?
Let's go. So, ikaw na. Play right.
Ano ba yung rules nito?
Play left. Play left daw. So, basta i-roll nyo lang yung dice. Halimbawa, tatlong hawak mo, di ba? Tatlong dice yung roll mo. Pag dalawa na lang yung hawak mo, dalawa lang yung roll. Pag ito, pag yung black, retain. Walang gagawin sa dice. Kaysa so, pag left, sa left. Pag right, sa right. Pag center, pag wild, wala. Pag right ako, bibigyan ako sa kanya. Maliit pa, bibigyan. Kailan yung right na nakuha mo? Halimbawa, ganyan. Hindi ganyan sa right.
si Jay para matalo.
Chef, 200! Kali kayo na!
50!
Lord,
50 each, plus 80 sa akin. Para sa
Nino, 300!
Hindi ako yan eh! Paano sa mga
Deserve mo na, Nino! recorded yun. 300! Yan na.
Oo na!
Oy, yung subscribers ko!
Pumasok po!
Sige lang, minute result talaga nun.
Oo, isa lang talaga.
Kung manalo ako sa subscribers ko,
Iwan na 100 na tayo.
Hindi, isa lang talaga matitira. Oh, ito mo.
Hindi na ako hindi pumasok.
Pero sa mo. Oo na.
Oo naman!
Tapusin! Lord! Maraming ko, Lord! Nanteba kaya! So, isa lang to. Hindi mo pala to doon!
Swerte mo naman, sir! Sir!
Right?
Sobrang naman yan, Panginoon lumabas sa'yo, ah.
Kapit ah.
Tatlong possession sa'yo?
Ah!
Right!
Lord! Patawarin niyo ako,
Right!
Lord!
Right lahat! 1, 2,
Basta!
ano sa'yo? Dalawa? Dalawa.
Left!
Thank you!
Ay, pucha. Goodbye. Thank you.
Talagang hintayin mo mag-center siya?
Oo na. Sino yung last?
Oy! Parang may pitik ka na dyan sa... Tapos yun. Parang hinuhulog mo lang. Parang may...
Dalawang left na.
Center!
Ito dalawa nagpapasahan mo. Right!
Basta yung ano.
Iba.
Right! Boy, pati Justin!
Let's go, Justin!
Right.
And the winner!
I wanna thank MC and Tony for being born in this world. Thank you.
Nice one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tony and MC. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Para ako yung may birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wish. Birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy. Oh. Hindi namin birthdays. Happy birthday, Tony and Nancy.
Happy birthday!
Yan guys, nakauwi na tayo. Saya-saya ko. First time natin manalo sa left, right, and center. So, salamat again, Tony and the MC for hosting your birthday. Happy birthday ulit. Sige, bukas na naman. Next transition, ano na naman. Bukas pala meron tayong anong tawag dito? Lunar New Year parang gathering sa may Zilker Park tomorrow. So, I think bago tayo pumunta ng, if I'm feeling better tomorrow, pupunta tayo ng Houston. So, bago tayo pumunta ng Houston, daan muna tayo sa Zilker. Tapos, let's head to Houston kasi birthday ni Tita Beth. Happy birthday, Tita. So, punta tayo dun sa Houston to celebrate natin yung birthday niya. Alright. Tulog muna ako, pahinga. Alright guys, dito na tayo sa Zilker. It's been one heck of a morning. Dito nga tayo for the Lunar New Year gathering. So it's gonna be a bunch of Asian people, I guess. I'll show you guys later. I won't be here long kasi I'll have to drive to Houston. and I'm just gonna have to meet Cody and them. But yeah, so it looks like on a weekend. Remember we were here on a weekday this past week. Daming tao, di ba? Here's another look. Sobrang daming tao, and it's kind of windy today too, and very overcast. Nasana daw sila by available courts. Daming tao. Yan guys, this is what it looks like. Ang daming tao. And so many people bringing their dogs din. And I didn't realize na ang layo ko pala nag-park sa kanila. So we'll see how long. Oops, hello doggy. How long I'm gonna be here. I think that's them. Yeah, hindi ko na dinala yung camera. Ito na yung vibes guys. Say hi to my vlog. Bye-bye. Bye, losers. Just kidding. Hey guys, tapos na tayo dito. My hair is all a mess. Daming tao. Yeah, time to head home. Or actually drive to Houston. And last look. It's very windy too. Mahangin. Ganda na skyline. If ever you come here, watch out for like dog poop. Kasi ang daming dog poop. Guys, look what's going on. So I'm parked here, and somebody parked in front of me. I can't get out. This is too small of a spot. So they boxed me in and they formed a whole new row. You're not supposed to do that. Now it's gonna take. I'm gonna get delayed. Like my whole plan's gonna be derailed, and they're out there at the park, and I don't know where they are. All right, story time. I finally got out. I'm so upset. He was a UT student, and he parked right in front of me. He sandwiched me between another car. They created a new row, right? And then so I was like, I came up to him because he was heading towards, another direction. I asked him if he was boxed in too. Tapos, he was like, no dude, like I'm parked over here, and he pointed at his car, like the car right in front of me. And I was like, this is your car? And he's like, yes. And I'm like, why did you park here? What is your thought process? And he's like, I thought it was okay. And I'm like, you are not supposed to do that. You boxed in a person. That is illegal, and it's kind of rude. I told him like it's inconsiderate. And he was like, I didn't know, dude. And he was like, what did you do? And I'm like, I didn't do nothing for an hour. I waited for an hour for you to come. Man, I'm just upset. But anyways, I'm now heading to Houston. I called my aunt. I told her that I'm gonna be late by an hour. I'm supposed to be there by 5 and bring stuff for her. But what can you do, diba? That's buhay. So just gonna. I have 2 hours to kind of like decompress, and that's okay. I hope this becomes a lesson for him. Because I guess he's a new driver or a young driver, and he probably doesn't know any better yet, right? But yeah, so I spent the whole hour trying to stop people from doing it. Concerned citizen. But yeah, drive muna ako, and kita-kits sa Houston. Ciao. Guys, dito tayo sa bahay ng tita ko for final year. I'll show you the food. Hi, sa Ate Juicy. Attitude girl. Hi. Hi sa vlog. Let's see what we have here. Oh, it's Tita Beth's happy birthday. Tita Beth's happy birthday. Say hi to my 76 followers. Including you. So we have here. We have rice. We have bacareta. It's like, so it's beef caldereta. It's like a menudo. We have palabok, pinak pero di bet. I won't open it. I'll open it later. Tapos, what do we have here? Let's see. How do you open this? Aray! Nasomod ko! Oh! From here! We have... Ano sa mali? Ko Jerry, hi!
Happy birthday!
Natin guys. The rice, bakareta, palabok, pinakbet. Saan ni tita? Butter shrimp, butterfly. Camarón rebosado. Pero shrimp siya, para siyang shrimp guys. Ano ni? Sweet and sour fish? Sweet and sour fish? Ano siguro ni? Sweet and sour fish? Kani, unsa man ni Kujeri? Paklay daw guys. Tapos banana pudding. Kalamay ni daddy. Saan ini? Asaba cake. Cupcake ni HEB. Tapos mga puto guys. Ano pa ba ito? Uy, ano oh? Bibingka? Ayun sa kanya? Torta guys. Tagal ko na hindi nakatry nito guys. Tapos birthday cake. Tapos ano, flan. Dami nating pagkain ngayon guys.
Happy birthday!
Make a wish. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Wala. Naka-message ita?
Thank you all for coming here, taking time to be with me to celebrate my second home.
Second wife man.
Second no. Thank you, tita. Ayan guys, we are finally home. Finally. Woo-hoo. It was a long drive. Nakakasilaw yung araw kasi it was like staring at me in the face because I was going east or west. I was going west. But yeah, it was a very eventful weekend. Thank you sa pagsama sa akin guys, or sa amin guys. From the Spurs game, from the Tony and MC's birthday, and from the Lunar New Year's, tapos yung parang na-stress tayo kasi na-boxed in tayo. I don't know. Ang hirap mag-English pag galit. and lastly, kay Tita Beth, thank you sa mga nag-birthday, Tita Beth, kay MC, kay Tony for hosting, and I really had fun spending time with my family and friends. And yes, and hanggang dito na lang yung video, and thank you guys for joining me. Hope you guys take care, and don't forget to take care of someone. Bye! Ingat!